today live and in person, finally. Your appearance was amazing.
Yes, the
loved
students
you.
had a good time.
Hi, audience today. There they are.
Hey everybody, I'm Dan Kirk, the Juggler with the yellow shoes, here at Whittier Elementary School in Waukegan, Illinois. I am so excited to be here. I finally get to do live in-person assembly, and you can too. I have a bunch of themes available. Check my website, dankirk.com.
How does gravity work? I'll explain just a little bit of how it works on everything. Thank you. What is science? Science is knowledge. That's all science is. It's knowledge, learning about something. So there's some suede leather to increase the friction so that one just doesn't fall out real easy. So I push in and I move them around like this. So close. Do it again. Do it again. It doesn't matter what order they're in. Just, yeah, you can just put them however you want. They're all the same. Just different colors. Yeah! There he is. And look, your poodle can fly. Nice catch. But wait, there's more. You can also have your very own picture of me. Ooh. Raise your hand if you can tell me, what did I do differently than Hector? What did I do differently? Yeah. If you believe you can't do something, you will always be right. Because you've already made up your mind that you can't do it. Therefore, you will not put forth any effort. You'll get better with practice. And if there's something you decide that you really like, you can get awesome with practice. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. Is that our eyes are so amazing, it notices something that's not quite right, so it tries to fix it. It would fall apart, and I'd practice again, and I'd get it going, and it'd be going. Thank you. That's not going to work here. Let me use your head. Do you like being in front of people? Nod yes when I push. There you go. Beautiful. Stay there, Jermaine. You're doing great. You're awesome. Yes. Just follow me around. Whoa. Yeah. Whoa. Look out. Catch me. No, I'm kidding.